Hello and welcome to another edition of Cooking with Todd. Today we are making a warm vegetable salad with an herb couscous base. As you can see, lots of colors, lots of flavors. Here are the ingredients for the vegetables. You can find that and the ingredients for the couscous at plantobefit.org/blog. First step is to preheat your oven to 425 degrees. Once you've done that, you're going to start quartering your potatoes. The great thing about this dish is that you can put this all in one sheet pan, which you're going to line with oil because you want to make sure that the potatoes do not stick to the pan. And once you got the potatoes done, you're going to put that into a bowl. And you're going to mix that in with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and a couple of pinches of salt and then a few grinds of pepper. You're going to stir that all around and you're going to pour that into your prepared pan. You're going to cook the potatoes for about 30 minutes, making sure that you turn it halfway around. Once you have them in the oven, you can start preparing your couscous, which is essentially you're going to take a 2-quart saucepan, put 1 tablespoon of olive oil, bring it to a high heat. You're going to stir it around for about 5 minutes until the couscous starts to brown. And then you're going to add your herbs, which is 1 teaspoon of dill, 1 teaspoon of parsley, and then 1 clove of garlic. You're going to put your 1 3/4 cup of water, bring it to a boil, cover it, reduce it to simmer, and let it simmer for about 15 minutes or until all the liquid is gone. Now you're going to prepare your other vegetables. You're going to do 1 tablespoon of olive oil. You're going to add your carrots and tomatoes. Then you're going to add your onions, all of the garlic that's left over, a few swipes of salt. We're using a flaky salt in this one, which is a nice thick salt. Then you're going to do a few grinds of pepper, and then 2 teaspoons of basil. You're going to stir that all around, and when the potatoes are done, which is about 30 minutes, you're going to add this to the baking sheet. You're going to let this cook for about 15 to 20 minutes or until the tomatoes start to wilt. So now that you have it all nice mixed, you add it to the other half. Spread that around evenly as best as you can. Put it back in the oven, still cooking it at 425 degrees. So you got lots of nice colors and lots of nice flavors. Now that everything's been cooked, you're now going to put that into the bowl. You're going to add your garbanzo beans. You're going to add a couple of your leftover half lemon juice. And then we added some pistachios. So if you want to add your favorite nuts or whatnot, we did nuts in this case. You do not have to. It's an added thing. And then we finish it off with a little bit of salt and then a little bit more pepper. Stir that around. We already have our couscous laid out on a serving tray. You put that right on top of the couscous, drizzle it with the last 2 teaspoons of olive oil, and serve it as a lovely dish. We hope you enjoy this. Again, all recipes can be found at plantobefit.org/blog.